In this demonstration, we are connecting a Rockwell Micro850 PLC to Isaac Sim to control a tank agitator in real time. The goal is to show how a real automation system can drive a digital twin, not just for visualization, but for deeper understanding and processing optimization. Here in Isaac Sim, you can see the tank and its agitator inside the stage. The 3D model was created in Blender, then imported here for a real-time control. The animation and even the color change reflect the PLC signals live. On the PLC side, we build a simple ladder logic program with start, stop, and run tags to control the agitator. When the agit-run tag becomes active, the agitator begins to rotate with a green color, showing that the motor is running. This connection between PLC logic and simulation runs through Ethernet, allowing the physical and virtual system to act as one. It's the same kind of signal exchange that happens on a real factory floor, but here we can observe, test, and improve it safely inside a digital twin. This digital twin helps us see exactly what's happening inside an automated process. It goes beyond a traditional 2D HMI, bringing us closer to the physical reality of the system, offering an immersive 3D understanding of industrial automation. Digital twins like this one are not only about visualization, they are about learning, teaching, and innovation. They allow us to design, experiment, and train without stopping production or risking a real equipment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to IndusphereTech for more real-time PLC driving digital twin demos.